PrintNFuse is a Checker exclusive. It is 8.5 by 11 sheets of an iron-on interfacing that can be used to do all of your applique projects. It comes in packages of 12, 25, and 100 sheets. All of them are 8.5 by 11 inches, and they are made to run through a standard printer. The sheets will be like this. This is a paper, and the fusible side is over here. You trace your designs on here on the paper. In this case, I traced 4 hearts per sheet and ran it through the copier until I had the quantity that I needed. I only had to trace them once, and I could run off as many copies as I needed for my particular project. Then I took a 9 by 12 inch piece of fabric, ironed the appliques to the wrong side of the fabric, and cut them apart so I had my individual hearts. Scored the back with a pin and removed it, and then they can be ironed onto fabric exactly where I would like to place them, just like any other fusible interfacing. In the case of this quilt, I used this heart design and appliqued them on the center of these half square triangles, and in this particular case I used a size 12 decorative thread. So by doing it with a feather stitch, I went on both sides of that line, and so if I was off a little bit, it didn't show as much as a standard buttonhole stitch. This quilt, because I did this with a fusible, went very quickly. It is really a weekend project. In this particular case, I used hearts. Here is another quilt that I did, and this is a summer throw. And in this case, I did a star and appliqued 4 patches on top of 4 patches. Again, this is all fusible. These are not heirloom quality and turned stars. I fused one on top of the other and used a 12-weight decorative thread to go around the outside edge to give it definition and to protect the edges. And by using the feather stitch, since it went equidistant onto the applique and onto the background fabric, if I was off a little bit, it didn't really matter. If I use a buttonhole stitch, I have to be very careful to keep it on the edge so my stitching is going in one direction, and if I'm off a little bit, it shows. By doing a design like this or any of the other decorative stitches that are on your sewing machine, you don't have to worry about that. So this is PrintNFuse, available in 12, 25, and 100 pack sheets or sheet packs, and it'll make your next applique project quick and easy.